Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can verify your Coinbase account. So in order to verify your Coinbase account, so you can do this procedure while creating your account or after creating your account. So in my case, I'm going to show you how you can verify your Coinbase after you've created your account. So open up a browser on the web address bar, type in www.coinbase.com. If you're using an application, then the video will remain the same. You can follow the instruction as well. So while creating an account, you'll be to verify your email address first of all. So in order to verify your email address, a verification link will be sent through the registered email address, and all you have to do is just open up the email and then click the verify link. As soon as you do that, you successfully verify your email. And in order to secure your account, you also need to make sure to create a strong password. Once you're done creating a password, or once you're done setting up your account, it's going to take you to the interface that looks something like this. So if you've not verified your ID and all sort of things, so you'll have to head over to the home page, and right in between you'll be able to find this information or the page. So then to verify your info, click on verify your info from the bottom right hand side corner. This is going to take you to the Coinbase setup page. So here you'll have to provide in all of the detailed information and also ID that has been asked. Otherwise, you'll not be able to verify your ID. So here, as you can see, in my case, first of all, you'll be asked to verify your first legal last name. So make sure that the name is according to your ID type, and then your date of birth according to your ID, your street address according to your ID, and then your purpose you have selected, and the source of fund as well, and then your employment status. After that, your social security number. Once you've completed this procedure, you'll need to click the continue button, and then it's going to take a while in order to send or receive a message stating that you've successfully verified your ID. So that's basically how you can verify on Coinbase. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.